Hi guys, today we are doing the NS program, first program. So to start off initially, we want to introduce to NS simulator. So all the programs written in the NS, all the NS programs are start off with the statement called a set NS new simulator. What does this statement mean is that we are taking the class that is our original NS program. This also happens to be a class. So what we are doing is we're taking an instance of that class and we are storing it in a variable called NS. So it is similar to what we call storing a variable in an object, storing a object within a variable. Let's say source object. Let's go to new source. What we are doing here is we are taking an instance of the class source and we are storing the object of that class in a variable called OB. So now that we have created a variable called OB, now using OB we can access the methods of the class source, and we can also manipulate variables associated with that particular object, which belongs to that class. Let's say ob.max is a method that will find the maximum of the given numbers, and ob.sort will return a sorted array of integers. Similarly, we can also, let's say, our median. Let's say just median. Median is a variable. Median is a variable of that class which belongs to this object now, because we have created it, we have instantiated it, and we can manipulate. Let's say if it was 9 initially, we can set it to 10. So these are the things that we can do in the Java, and the NS program is no different at all. We can do many similar things in the NS programs. So to start off, we will end this video here. In the next video we will talk about the 3-node point-to-point connections, or we can also call them 4-node point-to-point connections. Since they have changed the syllabus, this becomes like that, but to keep it simple, we'll say it is a 4-node point-to-point connection.